Hi all, my name is Srihari Mupala. I am from India. Today I am going to talk about a topic called how Amazon is growing fast. Can anyone of you here have you ever speed up Speedy Gonzales? Yeah, I can compare this now with Amazon. Amazon is speeding up like a Speedy Gonzale. Why I have used this thing is to show how Amazon is growing on nowadays. The reason why Amazon is growing is due to its services which are provided to the customers, due to its emerging technologies which are useful to grow their productivity as well as their sales, and their speed delivery, fast delivery, the services provided to the customers, the fastest services, the cashbacks, whatever, everything is provided to the customers. Now Amazon is more focusing on the online trends. The reason why Amazon is getting more popular or getting more profit is they are mainly concentrating on one thing. Can anyone of you tell what is that one aspect or two aspects that Amazon is focusing on? Yeah, I can tell you. That is innovation and leadership. Amazon is continuously focusing on innovation. They are developing their things, their services, and their interfaces, UIs with the emerging technologies which are useful to people to shop and people to interact with that. Not only this online shopping, Amazon is providing some of the services like Amazon Prime, where you can watch videos, movies, listen songs, everything. Amazon AWS cloud services, where you can do multiple things. These are the few things. These are the best things provided by the Amazon to the people. That's why Amazon is growing, and it will grow in future as well. Yeah, that's the final conclusion. What I can give is why Amazon is growing fast. The simple answer is Amazon is following innovative ideas and innovation. Thank you.